Hello friends, how are you? As you can see, this mobile Oppo S7 and this mobile pattern lock. So I want to hard reset without PC and I want to unlock password without computer. So first of all, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. As you can see, I have tried two more but it's not working to unlock this mobile by pattern password. So now you have to power up this mobile and press power button and swipe down for power off, and then as you can see this power button, and as you can see this volume minus button. So now I want to hard reset, so press power button and volume minus button to both and hold it. So now step by step all is do it, follow my step by step as you can see, and don't escape button as you can see, recovery mode. So now click on web data and web data keep, and okay, web data is clearing now, is web successfully as you can see, and reboot this mobile. So guys, this mobile is formatted and clear. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. This mobile is clear. Guys, as you can see this mobile is clear, password clear, and as you can see, so if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. Follow description box. Now bye and be back later, see you. As you can see this mobile Oppo S7. Now I'm going to next video. Bye, be back later, see you and take care.